In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view orders on Robinhood application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and actually open the Robinhood application. Of course, if you don't have it on your phone, you would like to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like actually to go and sign up to create your account. Of course, if it's your first time opening the application, or if you don't have an account. If you do have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight into the tutorial. So here, I'm just going to open my Robinhood application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow the tutorial steps. So here, as you can see, they are actually asking me to enter a PIN code. So if it's your first time opening the application, they'll not ask you to do anything like that. But the second time you open the application, they will actually ask you to set a PIN code, then start using this PIN code whenever you go or open the application. So for me, my PIN code here is just 4 zeros. And of course, that will actually be your home or your main screen. So let me just tell you first that you would like to have full access, or have the full option in your account. You can have that. First of all, if you're using Robinhood in the USA, of course, in person, maybe you're living in the USA, or even using the VPN. Then you would like to verify your account and add funds to your account, at least $1, to use the application correctly. Of course, you'll find out how to do all of that in our channel. Just go check them out, the videos, of course. And as we said, if you want to view your orders, all you need to do, of course, if you have the full options, just go to your account here. Then you would like to go to your menu. Just go to your settings icon at the top left corner, and as you can see here, you'll find the menu. So here, if you have the full access or the full options, you'll have here a history section. If you click on that, you can actually see all the orders. Even if you want to cancel an order, just go and select the order that you want to cancel and select the cancel. If you just want to see them, view them, just go see them through the history option or section that you will find here. So this will be actually for the tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.